guys. It's like, yeah, morning. Anyway, so the kids are currently in their rooms. They've been up for a little bit. They've been watching a movie. I just got up. Yeah, so I'm trying to wake up. My father-in-law is coming over to get some stuff, so I'm trying to wake up before he comes. So yeah, but I stayed up a little late last night editing, and I didn't realize it was as late as it was, so I try not to do that on the weekdays. But yeah, I don't know what all we're doing today. Probably not much today because it's Saturday, and on the weekends I don't really like to do anything. But anyway, so the kids are doing the room. I'm trying to wake up. I'll make me breakfast here in a minute. So not much is going on today. Today's probably going to be a short video. If we do anything exciting, I will let you guys know. So heads up, make sure you make nice with your FedEx person if you're from like a small town and they have just like their route. My UPS guy was my guy for like the same guy, but my FedEx girl, she helps me out. She's awesome. But
on Christmas we're going to decorate.
Like before Christmas we're gonna make those for Santa, I think.
Yeah. And then we have this plate that has like Santa's belt on it, and then it's red, and then it says Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, go get your room clean. Don't come out until it's done. But on Saturdays I always make the kids clean their room. Like, it's just one of their chores on Saturday. As long as it's done by Saturday, they can have the rest of the weekend. So I'm trying to make me some breakfast. Anywho, but yes, make friends with your FedEx person. My girl, she hooked me up. She came one day and I was like, as long as it's in like a box, good. If it's not, ooh. So anyway, yeah, harmonica. Okay, are you guys' rooms clean? So, yes. Now, if you're from the city, like whenever I lived in Louisiana and it was more city, to me that was city. So, because like I didn't get the same FedEx person. You know you're not in the city when you don't have the routine like FedEx or UPS person. Yeah, so small town life. And I love it. It's just awesome. I love small town life. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped the bacon. No. Okay. Alright, so making breakfast. I will see you guys in a little bit.
Nothing. I got a notepad with a red pen.
What are you picking, Aubrey? Notepad?
Get a red pen. I'm getting that one. Because okay.
Alright, you guys are gonna go play again? So I'm just editing and stuff like that and getting all that done. That way I don't have to worry about it tonight and I can actually like go to sleep early. Yeah. And then I'm going to straighten up the dining room. So, and I'm just watching Home Improvement. It's new. I need to clean the kitchen too. We should probably eat lunch. But anywho, just hanging out today. I think we're gonna do calzones for supper. with cheese sticks, but yeah. So I just cut up Aubrey's hair and I'm finally putting the finishing touches on this video, but like the final ones. But yeah, I cut her hair and I cut, and she's like, oh my gosh, I love it. Most like me, whenever I get my hair cut, I'm like freaking out. Like whenever I got it cut last time, I was like, oh my gosh, there's been so much cut off of it. And yeah, but she's like, I love it. I think I could even put hers in like a swing bob and she would like it. I just love it. I'm just afraid to cut her hair off, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so not much has changed, just hanging out and getting stuff done. Yeah, so I vacuumed. I need to put my clothes away. I started another little laundry. I need to do Aubrey's dirty clothes. I'm gonna start supper here in a minute. So yeah. But we have a visitor. Autumn decided to come.
How, my Indian friends? Or just white man friends?
Oh,
or any race. I love how your head was in the way.
I was telling Alan last night that I was like, yeah, you can't say Indian style anymore. And Jake was like, yeah, it's illegal. And he was like, what? I was like, it's called crisscross applesauce. Jake was like, yeah, it's illegal. I'm like, okay. I'm like, your dad's Native American. We're good.
Yeah.
You can say
so
Indian.
You can say my deal was like my school mascot was the Indians,
yeah.
so like you kind of have to.
Yeah.
It has to be okay, unless we're breaking the law.
Yeah. So I made cheese sticks from Aldi's, which I highly recommend, the take and bake or whatever they are. And then we're gonna try these calzones. I got cheese, the kids got pepperoni. I will let you know how they go. Yeah. But Aubrey, stop. Yeah. We're probably gonna, if the kids are still hungry, we might pop some popcorn and watch a Christmas movie. We haven't watched Elf yet, so we probably will watch that one. Or Home Alone 3. Yes. How's your calzone? Oh, that's your breadstick?
No.
Oh. Is it good?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm gonna try mine.
It was just like,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Jake got pepperoni. I think I said that. I did. Okay. Alright. Aubrey. Go sit and eat. Alright. We will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys. So, got busy crafting and organizing my crafting stuff, but
How?
Jake cut his phone. Or cut his foot on the floor. So yeah, and then
I can show her.
no, it's okay. We don't want to see it. We watched Home Alone 3, and The Grinch is on now. So I popped popcorn. Jake's getting a breadstick, and we are just hanging out. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.